I tried Fizz Clean toilet cleaner to see if it really lives up to its foam cleaning claims. And here's the honest truth about whether it's worth buying. Fizz Clean is marketed as a no-scrub toilet cleaning powder that foams up in your bowl and lifts stains, mineral buildup, rust, and odors without needing a brush or heavy effort. The official product pages show thick, expanding foam action, promises of eliminating 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria, and claims that you just pour, wait, and flush for a sparkling clean bowl. On paper, the concept sounds convenient, especially if you hate scrubbing toilets and want an easy cleaning solution. The company says it's safe for plumbing and septic systems, works in about 20 minutes, and can even be used on other surfaces like sinks or tubs. This kind of no-scrub approach is appealing because toilet cleaning is one of the least popular chores, and anything that reduces hands-on effort gets attention. However, when you look at independent user feedback on places like Trustpilot, the story changes dramatically. FizzClean products and the FizzClean website have overwhelmingly negative reviews with a trust score of about 1.5 out of 5, and nearly all reviewers giving it 1 star. Many people say the product did not foam as advertised, did not remove stains, and left them disappointed with the results. Multiple reviewers also report confusing or misleading ordering systems where unexpected charges appeared, difficulties getting refunds, and unhelpful customer support. Several users even describe the experience as a scam or warn others to avoid the company entirely. Additional safety checks from independent website analysis tools show that FizzClean.com has a very low trust score and may be unreliable or unsafe to interact with, reinforcing concerns about legitimacy and transparency. That doesn't necessarily mean every similar toilet cleaning powder is bad, but the specific FizzClean seller and its online operation show multiple red flags in terms of customer satisfaction and trustworthiness. Because of this discrepancy between glossy marketing and real customer experiences, if you want a reliable toilet cleaner, you might be better off choosing well-known brands available at grocery stores or supermarkets that have established track records and clearer refund policies. Ingredients like baking soda, citric acid, or tablets from reputable cleaning brands can also produce foam and cleaning action at a much lower cost without the risk of misleading ordering practices. Realistic expectations are that no cleaner magically removes every stain instantly, and true cleaning often still benefits from a bit of elbow grease or multiple treatments for tough buildup.